Hey, what's up, Tech Vibe Squad? Welcome back to another deep dive into future tech. If you love gadgets that stretch the limits and make flying look easy, you're in the right place. Today we're talking about what could be one of DJI's most exciting upcoming drones, the DJI Neo 2. And trust me, some of the rumored upgrades might just change how beginners and creators capture aerial content forever. Stick around, because what I'm about to share could decide whether you hold off buying a drone now or wait for this next release. So, when is it coming? Based on industry leaks and DJI's usual release cycle, the Neo 2 is expected to land toward the end of 2025, with November being the most likely launch month. DJI tends to tease their products with just enough time to build hype before dropping them worldwide, so we could see announcements earlier with availability rolling out in stages depending on the region. Now, let's talk upgrades, because this is where things get exciting. First, flight time. The current Neo manages around 18 minutes, but the Neo 2 is rumored to stretch that to somewhere between 20 and 25 minutes. It might not sound like much, but in the drone world, even a few extra minutes can mean capturing that perfect shot instead of rushing back to land. This boost is likely thanks to a slightly bigger battery that still keeps the drone under the critical 250-gram weight limit, which is important for staying within friendly regulations in many countries. Camera performance is another huge step up. While the Neo already shoots 4K at 30 frames per second, the Neo 2 is expected to double that to 60 frames per second while also moving to a larger 1/1.3-inch sensor. That means sharper detail, better low-light handling, and more cinematic motion for your footage. For creators posting vertical clips or action shots, this could make a big difference. Safety and ease of use are also getting attention. Rumors suggest redesigned double-layered propeller guards, more advanced obstacle detection, and smarter AI tracking. That means fewer crashes, fewer flyaways, and more confidence for beginners. Imagine being able to fly close to obstacles or track fast-moving subjects without worrying as much about sudden accidents. Transmission and connectivity could also improve, giving smoother, more reliable video feed with reduced latency. And on the software side, DJI is likely to push more intelligent flight modes, more robust subject tracking, and possibly new features aimed at content creators who want vertical video formats. Now here's where it gets interesting. If DJI can pull all this off and keep the price accessible, the Neo 2 might become the go-to choice for anyone entering the drone world. Price is expected to be slightly higher than the first Neo, which launched around $199. For the Neo 2, estimates put it between $229 and $329 for the base version, with premium combos pushing higher if you want extra batteries or advanced controllers. Even with the bump, it's still an affordable gateway into aerial filming compared to the higher-end DJI models. So here's a question: is it worth waiting, or should you buy now? Well, that depends. If you need a drone today for casual use, the current Neo is still solid. It's light, fun to fly, and gets the job done for beginners. But if you can wait a few more months, the Neo 2 looks like it will deliver noticeably more flight time, a better camera, and improved safety features that make it easier to fly with confidence. And remember, when DJI drops a new model, older ones often get discounted, so even if you decide not to go for the Neo 2, you might score a deal on the original. Either way, you win. So, what's the bottom line? The DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be a smarter, safer, and more capable drone that doesn't break the bank. With better flight time, a stronger camera, and new safety enhancements, it could be the perfect upgrade for anyone looking to get into drones or step up from the original Neo. The expected launch window is late 2025, most likely November, so keep your eyes open for teasers and official announcements. If you liked this breakdown, drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the official Neo 2 reveal when it happens. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries, keep exploring. This is Tech Vibe, signing off.